Think you're eating healthy? Think again. Some of the foods marketed as wholesome or natural are quietly loaded with sugar, and it may be sabotaging your health every single day without you even realizing it. Welcome to Clean Carnivore, where we keep health simple, clean, and rooted in truth. Every video here is built on careful research, personally authored for this channel, and enhanced with images that make the message easier to see and understand. AI tools help bring the visuals to life, but the ideas, the words, and the care are always human.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button, click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps grow small channels like ours.
In my last video, I showed you 7 shocking ways sugar damages your body. Today we're going even deeper. I'm exposing the hidden sources of sugar that sneak into your meals, your snacks, and even your so-called healthy drinks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where sugar is hiding, how to spot it on labels, and the simple swaps that will protect your health. Let's start with some of the biggest culprits. Yogurt. Many fruit yogurts contain more sugar than a donut. Granola bars, the so-called energy bar, more like a candy bar in disguise. Smoothies. Store-bought or cafe smoothies can pack 40-60 grams of sugar in a single serving. Salad dressings, a drizzle of light or fat-free dressing, often comes with a hidden sugar dump. Food companies are masters of disguise. They know you're looking for sugar, so they hide it under other names: cane juice, high-fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, rice syrup, fruit concentrate. If you see an ingredient ending in "-ose" or anything labeled syrup, that's sugar. Don't let the marketing fool you. Now let's talk beverages. Sports drinks are loaded with sugar, even though they're branded as performance fuel. Juices, even while 100% fruit juice, hit your bloodstream like soda. Fancy coffee drinks? A flavored latte can deliver more sugar than 2 cans of Coke. So what can you do? Here are a few quick fixes. Choose plain yogurt and add your own berries. Stick with water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Always read the nutrition label before buying a healthy product. Sugar is sneaky, but you don't have to be fooled. The more you learn to recognize it, the more control you take back over your health. If you missed my video on the 7 shocking ways sugar hurts your body, go watch that next. It'll open your eyes even more. Remember, knowledge is power, but action is freedom. I am committed to fresh, engaging, and provocative content, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something.